Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix a denied business line of credit in BMO Harris. So let's start with the first step, which is to open your application status. So in here, you just have to sign in to BMO Harris Online Banking and go to Loans and Credit. From here, you just have to click on Application Status. Now, as you can see, a red application denied box appears for your business line of credit with a link to the adverse action notice. So you have to take note of your application number. Next is read the adverse action notice. So open the statements and documents and download the adverse action notice. So it names the exact reasons, which are insufficient time in business, a low business credit score, or high existing debt, and the Bureau BMO pulled. So you have 60 days to request a free report. Next is upload stronger financial documents. So fix the named weakness with paperwork. Upload a current profit and loss statement, your latest business tax return, and 6 months of bank statements. So you have to make sure that clear PDFs only, since the scanned photos or screens get rejected, and restart the review. Next is send a reconsideration request. So in the message center, open a secure message titled Reconsideration Request, Business Line of Credit. Quote your application number, address each decline reason directly, and point to the documents you uploaded. Keep it all in one thread. Lastly is line of credit approved. So underwriting typically takes 5 to 10 business days. On approval, a green banner confirms your business line of credit and the new limit available credit appears on your dashboard, ready to draw against immediately. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!